Welcome to 23251 Redbud Ridge Circle, located just off of Seco Canyon Road and Pamplico Drive in Valencia. The single-family home is 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and is 2,141 square feet. Just off the tiled entry, find the living room with carpeted flooring, large picture window, and recessed lighting. Tiled hallway off the living room, find the bedrooms. The first of the secondary bedrooms has wood flooring, sliding wardrobe doors, and ceiling fan. Down the hall, find another of the secondary bedrooms with carpeted flooring, sliding wardrobe doors, as well as a ceiling fan. At the end of the hall on the first level, find the master bedroom with carpeted flooring, private sitting area, ceiling fan, and large walk-in closet with carpeted floor and built-ins for extra storage. The master bathroom features dual vanity sinks, tiled flooring, and stall shower with glass slider. Upstairs, find 2 more secondary bedrooms with new carpeted floor, new paint. This bedroom features sliding mirrored wardrobe doors and ceiling fan. The last of the remaining bedrooms features new carpeted flooring, new paint, ceiling fan, and closet with sliding wardrobe doors. Just off the family room, find the backyard with large covered patio area, as well as a side yard with lush grass landscaping, which is also accessible from one of the downstairs secondary bedrooms.